Lalit is thinking of a two digits number. The units place digit is 3 less than the largest one digit number, and the tens place digit is half of the units place digit. What is the number Lalit thinking of? To solve such type of questions, you should go line by line and you have to follow in a stepwise manner. First, take the first statement. It says Lalit is thinking of a two digits number. So by two digits number, we can infer that the number is going to have two places, ones also called units place digit, and there will be a tens place digit. Now let us go to the next line. It says the units place digit is 3 less than the largest one digit number. So 3 less than the largest one digit number. So what is largest one digit number? We already know that the largest one digit number is 9, and 3 less. You see here it is asked 3 less than the largest one digit number, which is 9. So 3 less means we have to subtract 3 from 9. 9 minus 3 is 6. So 6 is the digit at the units place. 6 at the units place. Next, the question says the tens place digit is half of the units place digit. So half of the units place digit means tens digit will be equal to half of 6. So half of 6, you can find out half of 6 by dividing that by 2. 2 3s are 6. So 3 will be placed at the tens place. If instead of half, the question would have asked you the tens place digit is 1/3. This may be one of the variation of such type of question. If it has asked you 1/3, then you would have to divide 6 by 3. 3 2s are 6. In that case, your answer would have been 26. I have separate videos for understanding of terms like half, 1/3, twice, thrice. Please visit that particular video for understanding of these terms, which are also very important for answering questions. So the answer to this particular question, that this particular digit is 3 less than 9, or 3 less than largest one digit number, and the tens place digit will be half of 6, that is 3. So answer is 36, which is option B. So to answer such verbose question where there are many lines, the trick is to go line by line and draw a picture of what is being told in each of the lines. So Lalit is thinking of two digit number. The first thing that should come to your mind, that the number will have two places, ones place and tens place. Now read the next line, that the units place digit is 3 less than the largest one digit number. You solve that and then get on to the next line, which says the tens digit is half of the units place digit. If you go that solving such question stepwise, reading line by line, you will be able to arrive at the right answer, and practice more and more to get a better confidence for solving such questions. If our videos and website www.decodmonk.com helped you in any way, you may thank me by subscribing to my channel and clicking the like button. Please remember to share the videos so as to help other fellow students like you. For queries, please comment here or through contact page of our website decodmonk.com. And above all, thank you for your patience.